Hey guys, welcome to Island Fix. I'm gonna show you how to replace the earpiece on your iPhone 6. Power off the phone and remove the two pentalobe screws at the bottom. Press a suction cup onto the screen and pull up to create a slight gap between the screen and the frame. Insert the pick into the gap and slide around the screen. Open the display to about a 90-degree angle. Remove the two Phillips screws and the bracket. Pry the battery connect up with a plastic opening tool. Remove the 5 Phillips screws and the bracket. Disconnect the home button cable, front-facing camera cable, display cable, and digitizer cable connectors. Remove the screen. Remove the 3 screws and the bracket. Fold the front-facing camera back and remove the earpiece. Install the new earpiece. Connect the screen assembly cables. Connect the battery cable. Push the screen down into the frame. Tighten the two pentalobe screws at the bottom and the repair is done.